Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to lock home screen so we can prevent the items on home screen from being removed or repositioned. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to find home screen option and it's right here. Just click on it. And you gotta turn on the lock home screen layout by clicking on this toggle button. Alright, and let's practice it together. Let's check it together. I'm going to remove a clock from my home screen, and the clock app can't be removed because I have already locked it, and that's how we can lock home screen. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.